Hiya guys, welcome to a new video. I thought I'd start showing off some of my favourite pieces of kit for wild camping, and today I'm going to be showing you the Yugoslavian Army mess kit. Today I'd like to show you why this old military mess kit still holds up and whether it's actually better than modern camping cookware. This is the Yugoslavian Army mess kit, originally issued to soldiers of the Yugoslav People's Army. It's a complete self-contained eating and cooking system, and one of the few military mess kits that was issued with its own knife, fork and spoon. So first I'll show you a piece that doesn't actually come with the kit, and that's the lid for the pan. I got that made on eBay. It was quite cheap. I don't know if you can still get them now. I've had it a few years. Now this bag is a replacement bag by Miltec. I think it's used for a water bottle, or that's what it's supposed to be for, but it fits the Yugoslavian mess kit in perfectly. And I have still got the original bag that it was issued with. But unfortunately, because it's been washed so many times over the years, it's shrunk and it no longer fastens on the button. Plus, if you get the customised lid, it is quite a tight fit to fasten the button. But yeah, I just thought I'd show the original bag and the new replacement. I actually picked this mess kit up a few years ago from Preppers Shop UK for just under £7, and even today it's one of the best value bits of surplus gear I own. Even with the replacement bag I'm using, the entire setup still comes in under 1 kilogram at precisely 918 grams. The full mess kit includes a cooking pot with a folding handle that holds 1 litre, and this is the part used for hot food. You also get a tough plastic cold food bowl holding around 800 millilitres and a smaller plastic cup, roughly 200 millilitres, which can be used for water, salad or fruit. There's also a 1 litre plastic canteen to store your water in, a 3-piece cutlery set including a knife, fork and spoon, with the knife doubling as a bottle opener and a can opener, and it all fits together. It's like them little Russian, is it Russian nesting dolls? Yeah, so it all fits together like that perfectly, nice and compact. Goes straight in the bag, cutlery at the side, customised lid on top, all fits perfectly in the bag. These kits were originally issued to the Yugoslav People's Army, but after the breakup of Yugoslavia they continued to be used by both Croatian and Serbian forces, which is why you'll often see them listed under different names. They were manufactured by Radi Končar Industries of Zagreb, a company founded in 1946 and named after World War II resistance fighter Radi Končar. It's worth noting that while the metal pot can be used for cooking, the plastic components weren't designed to go directly on a fire. For me, this mess kit works because it's simple, tough and complete. Everything fits together, nothing rattles, and I don't need to remember extra pieces. For wild camping, bushcraft or just relaxed outdoor cooking, it does exactly what it needs to and nothing more. So that's why this old army mess kit has become a camping essential for me. Let me know in the comments, do you use old army gear for your camping trips, or do you prefer the modern stuff? Right guys, thanks for watching this little video today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you own this mess kit or any others you might own. And if there's any information that you might be able to add that I haven't already covered, please let me know. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, it'll really help a lot. Cheers guys! Feel free to check out my other videos. Have a good one.